causing trouble. Yes, we are causing disruption, very necessary disruption every week because something greater is at hand, and if you can't see it yet, my God, you just go on to YouTube instead of maybe Channel 9 or Channel 7, that's even a control platform for the way of what we use. I'll be glad to have you on forever. So thank you very much, and enjoy working today. Thank you.
Thanks, Steve. We're going to have to be here for a little while because there's other protests going on, so we're going to take this opportunity to get the children up and we're going to see our favourite song. We are all
I can do something. I came from the dream time, from the dusty red soil plains. I am the ancient heart, the keeper of the flame. I stood upon the rocky shore, I watched the tall ships come. For 40,000 years I've been the first Australian. I came upon the prison ship, bound down by iron chains. I cleared the land, endured the lash, and waited for the rains. I'm a settler, and I'm a farmer's wife on a dry and barren run. A convict, then a free man, I became Australian. I'm the daughter of a digger who sought the mother lode. The girl became a woman on the long and dusty road. I'm a child of the Depression, I saw the good times come. I'm a bushy, I'm a battler, I am Australian. We are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. I'm a teller of stories, I'm a singer of songs. I'm Albert Namanjira, and I paint the ghostly glums. I'm Clancy on his horse, I'm Ned Kelly on the run. I'm the one who waltzed Matilda, I am Australian. I'm the hot wind from the desert, I'm the black soil of the plains. I'm the mountains and the valleys, I'm the drought and flooding rains. I am the rock, I am the sky, the rivers when they run. The spirit of this great land, I am Australian. We are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. I am, you are, we are Australian.
Okay guys, thanks Tim. We're going to stay here a little bit longer. I'm sorry about this. I know it's a bit boring, but there's not a clear run yet, so I'm going to get Ed to say a few words. Beautiful, thanks guys. I want to thank everybody today for putting the foot forward with heart and putting forward a very positive vibration. And same to the police as well for getting involved. You know, if we take off all of these clothes, like we said before, we take off those uniforms, we're just people. And for what's coming towards us, we need to unite, we need to come together. We see all these different protests are taking place in town. They all need to come together as one circle of unity. We are not boxes. Society puts us in boxes. When we realise this, we become a circle. We truly become a circle. Each one of us is a circle. It's like metronomes. You know, who knows what a metronome is? You know that tick, 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 tick? We all tick at different speeds, every single one of us. Alright? All different vibrations. And here's the thing about metronomes. If you put one metronome over there and you put one over there and it's on a solid surface, they won't synchronize. But if you put metronomes on something that just has a little bit of give, they'll synchronize. That's physics, right? And we're the same. If we can just agree to breach those boxes of rigidity, those boxes of steadfast position, as in, I'm not going to acknowledge this, I'm not going to acknowledge that man's problem, I'm not going to acknowledge that man's problem, because we have our own. We have a collective problem. And that collective problem is the sea. That collective problem is unreasonableness. And we all need to look together towards the horizon in the one direction and work together. And today was a step towards that. I wanted to, and again, give yourselves a clap on the back. Well done to you all. Well done. Now to the next speaker. Thanks, Lewis.
Sorry, that was very short for your standards. Alright, I think we're going to get... Are we allowed to move? I'm not sure. Okay, we're going to find out.
And just before I go, lads, can we all pay attention to what's happening overseas with our food supplies as well? Alright, if anybody's not aware of that, it's not across mainstream media. There's a lot of things happening across. In Canada, we've got things happening over in the Netherlands, and these people need our support. And we are coming together, all of us globally together. So let's give a bit of support for the Dutch. Yeah, round of applause for the Dutch. We're standing strong. And when the farmers here in Australia wake up to what's coming towards them, they're all going to stand together, and we need to stand with them. And we need to let them know that we're reasonable people and we're there to support each other again. So thank you again.
Okay guys, we're still going to wait. So, Jim, where are you? I'd love to hear, I'd love to hear Waltzing Matilda. That's a good song. Where's he gone? He's not alive. There he is. Come on, Tim. Give him a round of applause. Go roll him up. Rob me to sing. Bloody horrible. He's gonna find